Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making a copycat recipe for Chipotle's grilled chicken. This is a wonderful seasoned grilled chicken that can be used in burritos, tacos, or my favorite, the Chipotle chicken bowl with cilantro lime rice. I'll walk you step by step through how I prepare the chicken, make the marinade, and grill it. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. Now first I want to prepare the chicken by trimming off any visible fat. Now I'm using chicken breasts. You can also use dark meat, chicken thighs. Once you have the chicken all trimmed, I like to put them into a Ziploc bag that's pretty heavy, and I want to pound them down until they're all similar thickness. And I'm just using the blunt side of a meat tenderizer. And the reason for doing this is when you put them on the grill, you want them all to cook evenly. So we'll leave them in the bag and we'll make our marinade. I have a can of Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. And I want about 4 tablespoons. And I'm just going to give these a rough chop. These are very spicy, so be careful not to get them in your eyes. I'm going to add that right to my food processor. I need 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You want the juice of 2 limes. Okay, once you have those 2 limes juice, put it right into the food processor. Then I want 4 to 5 large garlic cloves. You can mince them. I'm going to put them through my garlic press. This marinade is very spicy, but delicious and perfect for grilled chicken. Okay, we have our chipotle peppers, olive oil, lime juice, and our garlic in there. Now we're going to put in our dry seasonings. You want 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of the smoked paprika. Now we're going to blend this in the food processor until it forms a thick paste. Okay, that's actually not really a thick paste, but it will be a great marinade because we're going to pour that into the bag with the chicken. Just scrape that down really well for all that flavor. Now we're going to seal that bag up. Make sure all of that chicken is nice and coated. Now you ideally want it to marinate in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, but 1 hour is just fine. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate, and we will be back. Okay, our chicken has been marinating for a couple of hours. We got the grill heating up, so we're going to take it out now and cook it on the grill. We're going to put these marinated chicken breast right on the heated grill so that it's at least 400 degrees. Look at that nice marinade. The smell is just amazing. So we're going to let that cook on one side till it develops a nice crust, and then we'll flip it over and make sure it gets to at least 165 degrees. Let's see if it's ready to turn. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, it's coming along fine. It's got to get to 165 degrees. Okay, I think they are just about done. one's good. They are all good. Okay, now all we do is cut the chicken up. It's rested a few minutes. Look how moist and delicious that looks. That marinade helps with the juiciness and also cooking it just to 165 degrees and not overcooking it. Now I've tasted this delicious grilled Chipotle chicken and it is absolutely amazing. I'm going to make a Chipotle bowl just like if I were standing in line at Chipotle. I have a bed of cilantro lime rice and some of this chicken. I'm going to go for some black beans and corn, a little bit of lettuce, some tomatoes, some cheese, some fresh jalapenos, and some salsa. I didn't have the pico today. I'm using Mateo's, which is one of my favorites. Now the thing about this bowl is you can make it just like you want it. Get the toppings that you want, add a little guac. If you haven't seen my guacamole recipe, check out my Chipotle guacamole recipe. All right, we're gonna give this a taste test. So moist. It has that nice charred grill flavor and it's pretty spicy too with that marinade. Those chipotles and adobo sauce really spices it up and I love it. I really do hope you try my copycat for the Chipotle grilled chicken. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made Chipotle grilled chicken and then made it into a bowl with cilantro lime rice and all the fixings. We'll see you next time.